Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Almost everything is more complicated than it seems, but almost nothing is hopeless. That's for sure, folks. Not even close. Remember, everything's right inside you. You want something? Use that mind of yours. It's a beautiful thing. It's the messaging unit, folks, of the universe. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. Dow Industrial's up 164, NASDAQ up 38, S&P's up 19.5, gold contract flat at $1,257 an ounce. Silver up 21 cents at $16.19 an ounce. Now, silver, wide price spread, accelerated volume, got over the $16.17 area, had the wide price spread yesterday. Today, bottom line, silver is going to make that run. We'll see how it handles now, the $16.50 area. Get over $16.50, $18 is game ASAP. Platinum, $999.50. It hit the $1,000 out here today, finally, up at $9.70, trading at $9.99. Copper caught a nice bid, up 6 pennies at $2.14 a pound. Light sweet crude, that was the number, folks. Light sweet crude took off topside, takes the market with it, up $1.62, $41.99, has the wide price spread, has the accelerated volume, going after the swing point of 42.49. I expect what you're going to see out here, more than likely we're going to go after that tomorrow. And what's so cool tomorrow, folks, Wednesday at 10:30, the oil supply numbers come out. So volatility, yes, in spades. The way it's set up right now, it looks like it wants to blow it away. The notes, the 10-year note down 14 ticks, 130.18. The 30-year bond off 26 ticks, 165.09. Both the note and the bond can handle the February 1st downdraft. The February 1st downdraft, that's where they came down with volume. They did it once again today. They stayed over it about 24 to 36 hours in the last week. Each and every time they were over it, came back underneath it, went over it, back underneath it. This is the first day that you came back underneath it, and you had the expansion of volume. What does that say? That says to me that this market still wants higher price, and the sell-off inside the bonds really have to do with the market wanting a higher price, and they're just shifting the bread right there. King dollar. King dollar still has no traction. King dollar was up a couple hundred ticks today, didn't have the volume. Finished up 63 ticks. We're at 94 even on the dollar index. That dollar index, you know, it's confirmed ABC down. What a confirmed ABC down or up means, folks, is that doesn't mean it's going to get there. What it means is that it broke a B point with volume, and so your probability gets higher that an A to B will equal a C to D. The ABC structure on the way down for King dollar is $92.30, and we also have that high volume swing low from August 24th at 92.50. So I suspect that's where we're going to go. The real cool thing, and we'll go through this, is that is the dollar index going to break that area and be at 88? If that's what happens, folks, you think these commodities have run, they're going to run beyond belief. And there's no doubt the metals have run in an extraordinary way. The metal equities have, and the small oil equities have, and the big oil equities have. They're all been doing, percentage-wise, a monster run here in the last 6 to 10 weeks. The euro down 20 ticks at 113, and the yen is trading at 108.52. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. We go take a look at the SPY. What you're going to have is this. Now, what are you doing with the SPY? Guess what? We're pushing into the highs of this consolidation with volume. That's telling me the SPY is going to probably break out tomorrow. We've been, you know, if you go back to the 29th of March, we had 92 million shares traded. That's when the SPY went from 202 to 205. Well, we did 110 million today. You look at these other highs, it was 86 million, it was 63 million. This baby wants to basically bust topside. Now, if that's what we do, you're going to, well, let me just do it this way. So if I go to 197, so check this out. If that's what we do when we break it with volume, you can make a case that this is an ABC up to, this will really blow some minds, to 113. a 213. My take right now is that, you get this ABC structure up to 211, but if you break topside, 213, and now this is what's really sick, $213.78 is the high of the S&Ps, of the SPY, which is just a mind blower. If we go over to the cash S&P, what you have is this. Your cash S&P, that ABC structure is 2087.50. You're at 2061 right now. We're up 19 bucks today. We bring this back to the all-time highs, though. The May high is 2134. NDX 100. What do you have the NDX 100? The 3 Qs. 3 Qs, same type of setup, folks. The 3 Qs are weaker than the SPY, that's for sure. We'll see how they handle the 110.40 area. Right now, it rejected 108 out here today. You're at 109.51, and I suspect that's going to run into the $111 to $113 area. Gold, the gold contract out here, had nice volume in it today. We did 152,000 contracts. You've got a flat market. We traded from a price point of 1253 to 1264, and you're into the highs. The high, the closing high, by the way, let me just see this. Closing, was that closing? 1271 looks like, yeah, 1271 thus far has been the closing high. That closing high was generated on the March 4th. The actual high that we're dealing with, the spike high, is 1287, and the bottom of that is 1250. My take is that we're going to go after that, and we'll see whether we blow it away. The XAU, the HUI, they both have moved, and they moved with volume. The XAU is up $1.28 today. You're trading at 79.91, and you talk about volume and an expansion of volume, folks. You had it all. On Monday, we did, on the XAU, Monday we did 48 million shares. Yesterday, you did 55 million shares. So you're moving to higher price. You have the juice behind the move. We go take a look at the HUI, the Gold Bugs Index. We set this one up, what you had on Monday. Monday, we went higher with 30 million shares. Yesterday, we went higher with 35 million shares. Bottom line, same type of setup is that you're moving higher with wide price spread and accelerated volume. The bond market, what do we have at the 10-year note? 10-year note out here today does 957,000 contracts on the way down, and that's after trying to make a high out here with the first day was 1 million contracts, then it tested it with 780,000, tested it with 800,000. Now it's coming off that with volume. I expect you're going to get a little bit more volume tomorrow. And what is it all about, folks? It's all about King Dollar. King Dollar just can't handle higher price, and lower price is coming at us. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.